Hi Rick, great to see you this morning at the Wilderness Club. Just want to recap on what we worked on today. So just run through your swing in parts. So as we take the club away, club head stays outside of the hands and comes to this halfway position, which is fantastic. If we look here at Justin Rose, he'll do exactly the same. You can see as he's starting to wind up, his club head stays outside his hands. And then as the club goes a bit further up, you'll see it sort of cuts through halfway through his body, where yours is a little bit steeper and cuts through your shoulder, but it's still very, very good. Sort of Ledbetter likes to see the that line there form between the golf ball and your feet, and we can see there with Rose's, if I draw a straight line, it points just inside the ball. So really, really good there, Rick. Nice and position there. As you start to keep going longer, we can see that's as far as you get to, but if we look at Rose, and when he gets that same sort of position, you can see you and him look identical. Okay. That's the top of your swing. We'll get to Rose's top of his. Obviously, he's a bit younger, a bit more flexible. But the main thing with Rose, if we have a look at this whole part here, the lower half of the body, have a look as I start his downswing. You can see these legs are really starting to rotate hard to the left. Okay, so when he's coming down here, we can see the shaft. Now he's cutting through the top part of his right forearm. If we look at yours, Rick, as you start to come down, same position there. So you and Rose look good, but you can see how much more aggressive his lower body is compared to yours. Yours hasn't really moved much. Okay, and then from there, Rose is just going to keep turning and turning and turning until he gets onto the ball, which is going to form some sort of divot, which you can see here. It's got some compression, and then the arms from there are going to work left, the same line as that shaft plane. His arms will work left, and it makes sense. When I asked you to shake my hand, you're naturally rotated to that position. Your arms never went away from you. So if we look at yours, because your legs are so static, when you come down to swing it, now your arms are going this way away from you. And that was to stop the shot going left. So you just sort of try to correct that. We can see here your club face is pretty good, a little bit close. It's trying to set up for a little draw, but all pretty good there, Rick. So the two things we needed to work on really was, one, let's get them legs working hard, and we did that by making half a little backswing to here, and then really accelerating hard with the legs. Try and get some clearance, so when you do come into impact, I can actually see a little bit of your left leg. As we can see here, I can't see any. If we go back to Rose, you can see I can see quite a lot of his left leg there, can't I? So work on that for me, and then because you're turning hard this way to the left with the legs, the arm should follow. Don't fight it. If you hit any shots to the left, it's going to be because of your legs haven't rotated. And if you hit any shots to the right, it's going to be because you're throwing your arms down the right. So just remember that left equals legs haven't turned. Right means arms have gone away from you. We want the legs to turn and the arms to go left. And you start to strike it. You hit that fairway wood, that forward, fantastic. Dead straight little draw. And with driver, the flight will drop a little bit, Rick, because you're squashing it a bit more. So you're getting a bit more compression on the ball. But otherwise, really, really good. And I'll see you soon in your next lesson. Any problems, give us a call. Thanks, Rick.